What's going on, folks? This is LB the Realist with Surrealistic Studios, Surreal News, where the real is surreal. So, I want to give you guys kind of an overview of what the process is like on Robinhood, the stock trading app, and basically what prices kind of look like, and basically what you'll expect if you're new to investing or if you haven't signed up yet. I'm going to give you a brief overview of what the situation is like on this particular platform, Robinhood, because this is my preferred platform. So Robinhood is a great platform. They make things very easy to comprehend. They put everything out there, in plain view for you to read. There's a free version as well as a paid version, but mostly it's free. Free trading. There's no fees for trading. Uh, Basically, you can invest any amount of money you want for the most part. So you don't even have to buy a whole share of a stock. You can just buy a fractional share of it. So Tesla today, for instance, closed at $809. $809. So if I wanted to invest in Tesla, if I wanted to make my money work for me and make more money, basically I could invest in Tesla. Now, if I don't have $809 to purchase a whole share of Tesla, I don't have to come up with $809. I don't even have to come up with $9. I can come up with $1 or $2 or 3 or 5, whatever I'm comfortable with investing and losing potentially. But really, the stock market just goes up over time. We all know this. Yes, they have their dips, they have their crashes. You can lose your money, but for the most part, it's a consistent trend upwards. All right. So, like I said, you don't have to spend the whole $809 to buy that one share of Tesla. You can invest $1. So, when you go ahead and invest $1 into Tesla, you then capitalize on all the growth and positivity that Tesla encounters. Also, the decreases in value and the disadvantages of owning Tesla. You get that too when you purchase Tesla, depending on how much percentage of your portfolio it is. So for me personally, Tesla is about 25 to 30% of my personal portfolio. The other percentages are in, let's say, I'll give you guys my top five here: Tesla, Lemonade, Fuel Cell, AMC, and GSAT. And I have different plays. I have different, I guess, methods or different, how can I describe this? Um, I got different methods of making money. I guess I got different plans for each stock that I'm invested in. For instance, like Tesla. Tesla is a great company, right? So Tesla is a tremendously popular company, a top mover, top 100. They not only do cars, but EVs, electric vehicles. They're into space. Of course, that's SpaceX. That's not exactly Tesla, but it's owned by the same guy. I mean, this guy Elon Musk is now the richest man in the world, and the valuation and all the reports of Tesla is just they're just going up. It's nothing but the moon from here with Tesla, because they're just so innovative and creative, and they're one of a kind, really. Tesla is a great company to be invested in right now. Now, of course, don't take anything I say as financial advice. Go talk to your financial advisor or a lawyer, attorney, whatever you want to do. Mathematician, I don't care. I'm just a guy on YouTube, right? Don't sue me, bro. But I'm invested in Tesla. I got to a point in my investing career where I wanted to capitalize on all of their success. So I ended up buying into Tesla. And recently I just acquired a whole share, a little bit more than a share of Tesla, because I've been investing a lot lately. So Tesla is a great company. Lemonade is a software company. They're also a great company that has seen tremendous growth. Fuel Cell is also another great company that gets into like different energy. It's an energy company, So fuel cell technology. Um, AMC, of course, the movie theater company, which coincidentally wasn't supposed to be in my top five. It was not supposed to be my fourth stock, but it just so happens that it's had tremendous growth lately, and there's been a lot of attention on it. And honestly, they just opened a lot of theaters back up. So a lot of people are going to be going to theaters now. And we should see some comeback for that. And a lot of people think the stock is dead or the company is dead and that you shouldn't even touch it with a 10-foot pole. But hey, I'm different. And the last play I got is GSAT, right? So GSAT is a satellite company. I believe it's in Louisiana, hardware, dealing with satellites and stuff. So I'm thinking, satellites, future, communication. We're gonna need these things going into the future. It's gonna be about these different things. Tesla's innovation with the new electric vehicles and SpaceX, and then you got the software with Lemonade, different technology and energy with fuel cell. Uh, AMC is just kind of like a fun stock for me to invest in. I don't have too much invested in AMC. I just kind of got lucky with that one because it was one of the ones that just had a lot of attention, right? So those are my top five. Basically, like I said before, you don't have to buy a whole share of a company or of a stock. You can just buy a fractional share. So if I wanted to, purchase AMC stock is only $5.68 right now. Now it just had a big sell off. I think it hit like $18 or something like that recently. Then it had a big sell off and it's been going down, but it's been steady around $5 to $6 now. And GameStop has been steady around 50 to $60. But of course, if you believe that company is going to go in the shitter, then you probably shouldn't invest it in. But there's a lot of people that are saying diamond hand GameStop, and a lot of people like the stock. So what can you say? So, like I said before, Robinhood is my preferred platform. We also have platforms like Webull. So if you guys want to get free stocks with Webull, visit the links in the description below. Free stock with Robinhood, visit the link in the description below. Both of these companies are giving out free stocks, free money right now because they're trying to gain a lot of subscribers. They're trying to gain a lot of users. So they're just giving out stocks right now, and you can get an Apple stock. I got lucky and I actually got a Johnson & Johnson stock that was worth $150. What I did with that stock was I held on to it. And then I sold actually most of the stock and reinvested the funds into Tesla. So you can do what you want with it. And it's your stock, it's your money, it's your future, your path. You can find stocks easily on Robinhood. They have something called popular lists. It has the 100 most popular stocks, daily movers, upcoming earnings, also crypto. If you're not invested in cryptocurrency, you should probably get invested in cryptocurrency. Just my opinion. I recently got invested in it. I don't know too much about it. I know it's a digital currency. I know that it's mined from a computer. I know that it uses a lot of energy to do it. I'm not sure of the mechanics of that and exactly how that works, but Bitcoin is something that's being more widely accepted nowadays. Now, recently, the new news is that the owner of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, is now going to accept Bitcoin as a method of payment for Tesla vehicles, which is game changing, right? Because not everybody's doing that. Now, the more news is that I think it was the CFO of Twitter is talking about investing some of the capital or some of their funds into Bitcoin now. So this is very interesting. Bitcoin is starting to break through some barriers here. And not only do we have Bitcoin as a cryptocurrency, but we also have other forms of cryptocurrency that's not as much as Bitcoin is. Bitcoin right now is, let me see. Let me check what Bitcoin is up at. Because last time I checked, it was up there. Now, I wish I was one of these people that invested in Bitcoin when it was like $2 or even $500. These people that invested in Bitcoin when it was that cheap are literally millionaires right now. I'm just saying that could have been me. Just saying that could have been you. So let me see. Bitcoin right now is at 44,000. It closed today at $44,634. Well, I can't really say close because cryptocurrency never really closes. The prices are always fluctuating. But another one to watch out for is Ethereum. That's like the number 2 cryptocurrency. And its price right now is about $1,700 and about $1,724, so $1,724. So way more cheaper than Bitcoin is. And there's a lot of growth potential for Ethereum as well as Bitcoin. So they're talking about using these two cryptocurrencies, kind of interchangeably or for different purposes maybe, but ultimately as a alternative form of of currency, of fiat currency. So interesting to think about, very interesting. You should check out cryptocurrencies. Another interesting one to talk about and to look at is called Dogecoin. Doge, right? Now, this was initially supposed to be a joke cryptocurrency or a meme cryptocurrency, or whatever you want to call it. It wasn't supposed to be taken seriously, but we have platforms like Robinhood that are taking it seriously, and you can buy and sell Dogecoin. Now, people don't like Dogecoin because it's supposed to be a joke. People don't like it because there's supposed to be an infinite amount of it, or, maybe not so much as infinite, but there's a lot more of it, and it continues in a way that's not finite like Bitcoin is. But at the same time, you can make some money if you know what you're doing with Dogecoin. So recently, the price of Dogecoin did drop down to about 2 cents. I was able to get in at 2 cents. I got 344 shares of Dogecoin, 2 cents a share, right? Real expensive stuff. Now the price is a whopping 7 cents a share for Dogecoin. And think about it. If you got in and you bought thousands of shares of Dogecoin at 2 cents, and now the price is 7 cents. I mean, there were people that got in on Dogecoin when the price was like a fraction of a cent or something, like, it's just something incredibly insane. And they made a lot of money off of it. So you can think it's a joke if you want to, but these jokes are making money. We thought Donald Trump was a joke too. Just saying. So, like I said before, folks, if you're not investing on a platform like Robinhood or Webull, M1 Finance or Public or even Cash App, maybe you want a bigger company like Fidelity or Ameritrade or whatever, just get invested, folks, because you're losing money if you're not. If it's just sitting in a savings account just doing nothing, you're losing money. If you're not thinking about stocks, you're not thinking about real estate, then you're in a continuous pattern, that's not going to go anywhere. So that's where I'm trying to make a transition in my life personally, is be more financially astute. I want to be more knowledgeable of my finances and investing, so that I don't have to, stress myself out, at a job that's making somebody else's dream come true. Instead, I can make my own dreams come true and have my money work for me. That's what I want to do, and that's what I'm doing. So like I said before, folks, like this video, share, subscribe, and comment at the bottom. Leave me your thoughts on this whole Robinhood situation. Leave me your thoughts. What platforms do you use to invest? If you are investing, if you're not investing, tell me the reasons why. Love, peace, and light, folks. Until next time, like I said before, get your free stocks down below. Get your free money down below. Click the links in the description below if you want to support the channel and support yourself. And until next time, I'm out.